man, when they say Goldie is a whole nother thing about this. Okay, so question: what size motor? What are we looking at here, young man?
107.
107.
S&S, all internals.
Oh, but also on a lighter chassis than a regular bagger bike. That means you pretty goddamn fast in Dyna World. Yeah. Cause I rode a 95 version of one of these and made me say I need one of these bikes in my life.
No, yeah, it's thing boogies.
Yeah. Because I used to, when on the Big Manny runs, I used to race with a cat. He had a Hot 95 and I had the 120R and I killed him.
Yeah.
Annihilated him. Next year he came back, he had a 124. Ran me the fuck over.
No, yeah, this thing's pretty fast.
And looked back laughing at me as he did it. But I gave him action. He
had no wobble.
He just rolled away from me. So, oh yeah. Okay. So the goal is to do what? Tell me what our plans here is.
Okay, so I got some beat in here, but I don't think it's wired correctly. I mean, you know what you're doing. You know
okay,
what I mean?
I see that.
See, that's what I mean. I'm over here.
Okay, so what do you got planned? As you remind me at? Well,
if you could rewire it for me. And then I got another little like a speaker box right here. That goes right here. Two more, 2 5 1/4.
What's your head unit?
It got a diamond audio amp.
No. What you playing off your phone?
Phone, yeah. Bluetooth.
Yeah, Bluetooth.
Okay. Okay, you got the correct cutouts and stuff. Yeah. So the goal is to get it more better.
Yeah.
Got you.
I know for sure though the tweeters ain't working. I was messing with it myself because I put the bags back on myself after the motor work. And I was just, playing with it. I'm like, is it just me or is it supposed to be sounding better? And I put wire from here to there just to test it, and the tweeters kicked on. So something ain't right.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And so you got the box coming with the speakers?
Yeah, my lady's right behind me somewhere.
Okay, for sure. All right. Well, I got you. We will improve your life then for you.
Perfect,
so that's the goal here.
Capping these or you crossing the motor?
G14 classified information. We're gonna talk offline. Gotta go. I don't. Well, this will be my first Dyna / AKA Golden Child, because he is golden for sure. Wire rescue scenario. It has music on already that is functioning in some capacity, but you cannot take the bags off. Hardwired. If you wanted to get the bag off, you'd have to. Well, actually, you could get. Let's see, that one unplugged there. Nope, but you couldn't. Nope, you still couldn't disconnect it. It's going somewhere up in there. So no, you couldn't get disconnected to get the bag off. So and this one is hardwired to right here. So A and B stuck on the bike. The rest of the wires stuck on the bike. Come through 4 6x9s, 2 6.5s, 5 1/4. He wants to put a speaker pod up here on the dash, custom mounted bracket right here, so he can have front and back music. So my task has been given to me. Rob, can you make it happen? Well, we gonna see. I like challenges. I think this was something I could probably get with. Hence, it's here, and I didn't turn it away. We're gonna give it the best we can give it. Stay tuned. Let me see. I think we can play it. I disconnected most of the wires already. It played. That's all I can say. It played. So we're gonna reconfigure the wiring, make it so the bags can come off when he does decide to ride without the music, which will probably be never, but he says, he can't go fast with this on the bike because it likes to wobble. Completely rebuilt motor. He said he goes fast. But with the music, he says he gets a wobble past 80. So, it's an imbalance because the bike wasn't designed to have bags. So we're gonna make it so he can disconnect it. So when he feels he wants the need for speed, he can let him have it. My name's Cars Trail, letting you see what I see. Golden Child. Yeah, stage 1 of the Goldie bike. My man brought me his own speaker pod. I said, hey, I can, he said, well, you gotta get it up on there. So he had a bracket made for it. Loosely explained how it went, but we was able to get it up in there, you know, so you can have some sounds in front and still make the windshield work out. And so, but yeah, it two Pioneers. He brought an assortment of grills, but these are the best ones I picked to make it work. But yeah, so that part is done. So we're gonna go ahead and start with cleaning up the back next, and start the rewire process. So we're gonna unwire it. Actually, I should rewire a little bit of it and let y'all hear what's going on, so you can see where the baseline is, where we start off with this, and where we're gonna plan on taking this to. So yeah, let me put the wires back to where they were, because it's not too far deconstructed right now to give us a test line of how it sounds. Let me see, there to here. Yeah, so hold on a second, I'll be back. Is, you know, off the iPod, which he got the phone mount already for it. So let's just throw a little, I don't own the rights to this music, but throw a little new rap at this. Or new, as what I had.
And we straight. Summer rush, Yamahas out on that lake. Granny told me go be great. Drip like the kitchen sink while you smiling in their face. Yeah, never late, forever.
So that's what you're hearing so far, as in what goes down. So, you know, yeah. So we're gonna rewire, make it so it's disconnectable, and I got a few ideas how to get some more bass going on here. So we're gonna go from there. Stay tuned. Well, we at the end point of this right here. We got the dash installed up in here. It's pretty clean up in there. You know. We redid the bags, made sure they disconnect. One disconnect. Well, it's two disconnects over here. You got your hot and ground and your speaker wires coming through into the bag. Then you got your other one coming from here. It disconnects down here behind the shop. So these are out of the way instead of rolling on top of the rails. Sealed away the lid so we add some more bass to it. Tighten up the wiring in the bag so things won't come loose. Close it up. Bam. Over here, the same. Sealed up the top. Went ahead and put the amp down here. Readjusted the amp. These bags really don't seal too well, so you know, I haven't quite figured out what to do about that, but it definitely plays better than what it did before. Let's see what we got going here.
Steady calling my phone. I told you before that it's over. Leave me alone. No saying you can see me go. No clouds, you gon' see me storm. I won't go back, but trust me, I'm gon' hold that. Hold that. I get you out my mind. I can get you out my mind. I can get you out my mind.
So with having more speakers in the front now, you'll be able to hear everything instead of just everything shouting from the back. So that front stuff, you know, that give you that nice roundabout. Oh yeah, I don't own the rights to this music. Just letting y'all know that up front. But yeah, Money's Car Stereo. Yeah. This was not really my invention. The owner brought the bike pretty much functioning. He asked me to put his touches to it, you know, and mount the speaker pod up front and make it so it's successful, so he can, you know, take the front off or leave it on. You know, it was a little bit of a challenge learning how to work on a Dyna, but it's an interesting bike. We're just gonna go with that. Leave it with this here at the end.
Let me just don't need no more. I ain't trying to feel this pain no more. And I'm sorry, I'm feeling ain't the same no more. Used to be my homie, you ain't gang no more. I am not a nigga you can claim no more. Traumatized, hoping it don't rain no more. You done put me through some things that done changed my aura. Now all around the world, I explore no door. No bed, I'ma drip under the yo. Ass fast, should be straight, keep no Florida. Bad as she know it for herself, I pour.
Good night. On to the next one. What size shirt you wear, Blair? Large. Gotcha. Hey y'all, we're getting it in over here.
It was a clear afternoon.
Hey y'all, it's pickup time. The golden child is finna be gone, man. Man, what you hearing? Is it better than what you was?
Yeah, you got me right for sure.
Okay, yeah. I'm just letting y'all know, letting people see what I see. Here you go, man, to finish it off. Man, let the world see what's in that bag, man. Today's a wire rescue day. Money's car stereo in full effect. There you go. So yeah, enjoy your ride, my brother. And hey, I like these bikes. You know, I just ain't got a chance to ride. This ain't my bike to ride, so I wasn't gonna bust a corner on them. But I know they fun.
Yes, sir.
So what, are you gonna get a bagger later on? Or are you just gonna
I'm gonna need to, but you know, for now, you got me right for now.
Okay, for sure.
With this one for now.
All right, for sure. Money's car stereo. Holla at your boy. We gotta go.